How to remove negative items from your credit report, Phoenix AZ. Negative items on your credit report can negatively impact your credit score and financial stability. This can result in difficulty obtaining loans, high interest rates, and even denial of rental applications. However, it is possible to remove these negative items from your credit report if they are incorrect, outdated, or if you can demonstrate that the credit bureau was in error. Here are some steps to take when trying to remove negative items from your credit report. Obtain a copy of your credit report. You are entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus once a year. Review your credit report for accuracy. Look for any errors or negative items that may be incorrect. If you find any errors, make a note of them and the evidence you have to support your claim. Dispute errors with the credit bureau. If you find any errors, contact the credit bureau to dispute them. You can do this online or by mail. Be sure to include documentation that supports your claim. The credit bureau will then investigate your claim and remove the negative item if they find it to be in error. Write a goodwill letter to your lender. If the negative item is correct, but is a result of circumstances beyond your control, such as a lost job, you can write a goodwill letter to your lender. Explain your situation and ask them to consider removing the negative item from your credit report. Negotiate a pay for delete agreement. If the negative item is correct but is old and no longer affecting your credit score, you can negotiate a pay for delete agreement with your lender. Under this agreement, you would pay off the outstanding debt in exchange for the lender removing the negative item from your credit report. File a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. If you are unable to remove the negative item from your credit report, you can file a complaint with the CFPB. The CFPB will investigate the issue and may be able to help you remove the negative item from your credit report. It is important to remember that removing negative items from your credit report takes time and effort, but it is possible. Follow these steps and remain patient, as the process can take several months. Additionally, it is crucial to maintain good credit habits while trying to remove negative items, such as paying bills on time, reducing credit card balances, and avoiding new debt. In conclusion, a negative item on your credit report can have a significant impact on your financial stability, but it is possible to remove it if it is incorrect, outdated, or if you can demonstrate that the credit bureau was in error. Obtain a copy of your credit report, dispute errors with the credit bureau, write a goodwill letter, negotiate a pay for delete agreement, and file a complaint with the CFPB if necessary. With patience and persistence, you can remove negative items from your credit report and improve your credit score.